Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let us express our gratitude for His grace. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Mutiara Fatima Abiha from Class A2 Morning Management at Bina Niaga University. Here, I would like to discuss my manuscript entitled The Importance of Reading from an Early Age, which is read by the lectors Mr. Eis Fauzia, whom I respect, and also my friends whom I love very much. Let's discuss the material that I will present. Understanding reading. Reading is the key to opening the door to knowledge and insight into the world. Reading can also improve children's career opportunities in the future. But based on a survey of the Indonesian National Library, Perpusnas, in 2022, the level of reading enthusiasm among Indonesian people grade was 63.9 points. And according to UNESCO, the request to read Indonesian people is still very low, which is only 0.001% Indonesians, only 1% is diligent in reading. In other words, Indonesia is still among the 10 with the lowest literacy levels. This is due to the absence of reading habit from an early age by parents. Parents in Indonesia still lack example and encouragement for children to read. Therefore, children have no interest in reading when they grow up. The benefit of reading from an early age. 1. Improve children's language and literacy skills. Improving children's literacy skill is by getting used to reading from an early age will be very useful for children's academic potential. 2. Develop children's imagination and creativity. Children's creativity is an important element of growth that parents must hone from an early age. With creativity, children will easily find new ideas when they dare to explore everything and are able to solve problems in their own way. 3. Improve communication and interaction skills. By being taught to read, children will be more confident in expressing their opinions and expressing what they are feeling through communication and interaction with parents or teachers. The ideal age to introduce books to children is from birth. Even though that age the child does not understand what is being said. However, if children are often read with joy, excitement, and closeness, they will begin to associate books with happiness so that their interest in reading will emerge. When at 1 to 3 years of age, read out an interesting simple story by showing the picture. Children at that age will be very enthusiastic when read storybooks through pictures that they find interesting. And 3 to 5 years of age, start teaching reading, writing words and letters. The beginning of children's learning is filled with playing while reading various storybooks that have been provided. Gradually, children will want to be taught to read and write basic letters to form words that are often said every day. That way, children can read and write sentences that form stories. Okay, basically early childhood, children are very happy when read a storybook. From this pressure can encourage children's interest in learning to read. Parents and teachers must be ready to provide direction in reading. It will greatly affect the development of language and literacy of children because reading is not just about introducing letters but can shape thinking skills, hone memory, and develop a child's imagination and creativity. That's why the child will not have difficulties when communicating and socializing. Parents should also keep in mind the reading speed of each child is different. Small children are the result of their desire and enthusiasm to read and learn. And keep in mind by parents and teachers, educators to familiarize reading books to children from an early age.